FasTrac Concrete Mixer turns any skid steer loader into a portable concrete mixer, ideal for applications where space, speed, cost, and convenience are factors. It's an ideal alternative to full-size mixers. It's easier to use and provides more capacity and convenience than drum mixers. FasTrac concrete mixers are low maintenance and easy to clean. Being able to mix right at the pour site saves time, streamlines operations, and is ideal for when pouring fast-setting concrete. An optional water tank provides even more mobility. The manual gate control gives you precise control of pour, and the tight seals make it perfect for self-leveling applications. An optional hydraulic gate turns a two-man operation into a one-man operation. The FasTrac concrete mixer delivers superior mixing with less maintenance. Baffled corners help to reduce dry material buildup, and the reversible auger delivers superior mixing and controlled dispensing. There are no rubber paddles to repair and replace. The one-piece all-steel auger delivers long-lasting performance. The rubber trough provides the flexibility required for larger aggregate. Positioned under the mixer, it's easy to access for quick maintenance. The FasTrac design permits tighter tolerances between the auger and trough to reduce separation of larger aggregate to ensure superior mixing. The FasTrac mixer allows you to pour from the left or the right side, and the chute extends up to 6 feet.
Barrel mixer, we can get about 30 to 40 holes a day, and that's working pretty hard at it with me and another man. With the FasTrac mixer, we can definitely do 100 holes a day with me and another man, and it's painless.
Compared to other skid steer mixers, the FasTrac weighs 500 pounds less, a critical difference when considering the equipment's maximum lifting capacity when mixing a full load. Choose from 3 models: the FasTrac 125 with a 1/8 yard capacity, the FasTrac 500 with a half yard capacity, and the 750 with a 3/4 yard capacity. Options include hydraulic gate and water tank. The FasTrac Concrete Mixer, a versatile solution that provides improved mixing, increased productivity, and lower maintenance. Learn more at FasTracProducts.com.